In this video, we're gonna review the Mint Mobile $15 plan. So if we go to their official website and then go to plans, we can see that they offer a $15 plan. Now, as you can see here, you have this one for about 3 months, and it's gonna give you 5 gigabytes of internet per month. And basically, if you want to upgrade to unlimited, you're gonna have to basically pay $30. But if you want, you can also have this one here, which is for 12 months, but you have to pay upfront. So here you have, as you can see, $45 upfront if you want to basically have this plan here. And for 12 months, you're gonna have to pay upfront $180. And here you have different benefits. Now, as you can see here, you can see the additional charges and terms. Then you can see here the speed provided with plan and the data included. So you only have 5 gigabytes, and this is your download speed, upload speed, and typical latency. So if you ask me, I rather go with the $20 one, unlimited, even though you have to pay $240 upfront, but you're gonna have it for 12 months and everything is unlimited. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.